Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, we have discussed various type of character present in the string such as is lower, is digit, is upper, is space, is title. All these functions we have discussed in the previous video along with example. So in this video we are going to show you some demo program such as s is equal to input enter a character. If s dot is al noun means if the enter character is alphabet or number, print if it is a alphabet or number, print alphanumeric character. Okay, then if s is alpha, print alphabet character. If s is lower digit, is lower, s dot is lower, print lowercase alphabet character. Else print uppercase alphabet character. Else print it is a digit, or that means if it is not lower, not upper, then it is going to be digit. Elif s dot is space, it is a space character. Else print non space digital character, non space digital character. Okay, good. So it's a demo program. Now we have to go through the output. Our first output, enter any character. 8 alphanumeric character, and it is also a digit. That means it's the first. If s dot is al num, then it is print that it is an alphanumeric character. Along with it is also a digit. It is not a lowercase, it is not a uppercase alphabet character, it is not only alphabet. Enter any character a, alphanumeric character, it is alphabet character, and lowercase alphabet character. So by using this demo function, by using the demo program, we are showing you how this is alpha, is lower, is space, all these functions will work thoroughly. Okay, our next output, enter any character. Suppose we have entered a dollar symbol. It is a non-space special character. Okay. Next, our last output is enter any character. Suppose we have entered capital A. It is an alphanumeric character, also an alphabet character, and uppercase alphabet character. So friends, by using these four output, I am going to show you, I just already show you the use of is alpha, is lower, is al num, all these function, example of all these function. Okay, now we are going to describe you the formatting of string. We can format the string with variable value by using replacement operator, second bracket open, second bracket close, and format second bracket open, second bracket close method. So the example will be, suppose name Sachin, name is equal to Sachin, salary 50,000, age 52. Now we are printing this, print double inverted comma, second bracket open, second bracket close, age, salary is, second bracket open, second bracket close, and his age is, second bracket open, second bracket close, dot format name salary age. The second one is like this way. Print here we are given 0, whose salary is 1 and his age is in the bracket, in the string bracket we have given 2. We have written 2. Format, name and age. Okay. Print x apostrophe s salary, x is within second bracket. Okay. Salary is y within second bracket, and his age is within second bracket z. Dot format z is equal to age, so we have put age in z and salary in y and name in x. Okay. Now the first output will be for the first program, print. Okay. Sachin's, that here we are going to show you Sachin's salary is 50,000 and his age is 52 and it is put be 52. Okay, good. Here 50,000 for salary, it is come 50,000, name is here and age is print in this portion. Good. In the second, salary, Sachin's salary is 50,000 and his age is 52. In the 0 position they found Sachin. In the 1 position they found 50,000 here in 1 position. In the 2 we have to print the age of Sachin. Okay. Then in the third print statement, Sachin's salary is 50,000 and his age is 52. In the Z we put age, in the Y we put salary, and in the X we put name. This is the way we can use format string to print various printout or to print various variables along with its value. Okay friends, so now write a program to reverse the given string. Input is Sachin and the output is NIHCAS. The first way, take the first way. S is equal to input, enter some string, print S ::(-1). In the second way, S is equal to input, enter some string, print dot join reverse S. That means that will reverse the total string. Third way, S dot input, enter some string, I is equal to length of S -1. That means it will count from the back side. Okay, from the back side. Target is equal to within quotes, while I is greater than 0. Target is equal to target plus S of I. That means the value of I or the value of I will come here and print the first character N, then the second character I, H from the back portion. Then I is equal to I -1. That means it will decrease the number from back side and print at the last target. Target will be printed. So friend, this video is up to this printing of various string using format string, and we will be back soon with a new video. Please share my channel, comment in my channel and subscribe my channel. Your inspiration is a lot of boost for me. Thank you. And once again, if you missed any Python video, previous Python video, then click on the I button link. You will get all the Python videos there. Thank you so much.